Hello, and welcome to your daily episode of TOASTiFUN. This person decided to take a piggyback ride on the back of a shark.
Get them! Nabuhat dia, ha? Nabuhat dia! Nabuhat dia, tayo!
These parakeets are actually playing basketball. Green team versus the yellow team. When a truck honked at this driver, he decided to put on a show.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
I have absolutely no comment for this situation. Can anyone tell us what kind of music and dance this is? Here is what pyrotechnics can do to a wedding reception.
Se acabó la boda.
Did this dog actually do that? This person takes a ride in his custom vehicle.
His feet are in the ground.
Thank you for watching. See you again soon.